I was facing acne from, and it was all over my face. My mother was actually very scared. It is spreading all over your face. What is happening to you? So I thought might be after some day, might be this is the hormones changing, or might be I'm not taking good sleep. That's why this is happening. I took at least 2 to 3 months to wait. Okay, just wait, everything will be fine. But nothing has changed. After 2, 3 years, again I'm facing the same issue. Then I thought, okay, chemicals also have certain restrictions. They cannot resolve the issue forever. How one should resolve the issue with the natural remedies? I have already invested so much of money in cosmetics, then why not this one? At least give it a try. And I'm really blessed somehow I landed on this, and I made a great decision. Because I really want you should invest your money in certain good things, not in the cosmetics. Because I can feel how much it costs a person, how much it is impacting your confidence in everything if you have a bad skin. Certain compliments you are getting when you have a good skin. So that is actually impacting your confidence. So I don't want anybody should face that certain things that I have already faced. That's why I agreed to come forward and give a review. Something is genuine, so yes, I really want someone like me will find it helpful and just go for it.